Next, we need to create UV rays in the same way. A VAR sprite equal create sprite code block under sprites is dragged into the rays function as before. Let's give the sprite as UV rays. Now, an X position and Y position should be given for these created UV rays. Let's create UV rays from random places. Let's give random numbers to X position and the Y position for that. I click Math and drag a random number code block here. Since a value between 210 and 400 is suitable for the X position, let's give 210 and 400 here. A random number code block under Math is dragged for Y position in the same way. Here 10 and 150 are given as the random numbers. Now we need to give a color for the UV rays that we created. For that, click on Sprites and drag a sprite.shape color code block here. I give orange as the color here. Also, the scale of the UV rays need to be adjusted. A sprite.scale code block is dragged here by clicking Sprites again. As the sprite, let's give UV rays and let's give the scale here in front as 0.04. For these UV rays that are coming towards the Earth, there is a lifetime. During this lifetime, if it hits the ozone layer, it should be destroyed. Or when the lifetime is over, it is destroyed automatically. Let's give a lifetime of 120 seconds for the UV rays too. For that, I drag the sprite.lifetime code block under sprites like this. Sprite is given as UV rays and type 120 here. Also, we can use the variable called total UV at the beginning to count the total number of UV rays created here. It is necessary to add 1 to the value of this variable when the UV ray is created. Let's drag an X equal code block under variables like this. Instead of X, total UV is given. A code block with a plus sign in the math section is dragged to the right side of the equal sign. Let's give as total UV here and type 1 here.